Hi everyone, welcome back to Unit 6, Week 1, Day 3. So once again, we'll start with some phonemic awareness. So we are going to identify and generate rhymes. So we're going to find the two words that rhyme. So is it soon could or soon noon? That's right, it's soon noon. Is it loose tube or loose goose? Loose goose. Boy to or to you? It'd be to you. Last of all, school coop or coop group? It'd be coop and group. Okay, let's move along. So we're just reviewing some of these sounds that we've been working on. Remember, this says it says so 3, 2, 1, fool. Remember UI pattern. 3, 2, 1, suit. This is again. 3, 2, 1, grew. 3, 2, 1, zoo. Now this can say ow or oo. Today, we wouldn't say soup, we'd say soup. So that word is soup. 3, 2, 1, tune. Remember, this is oo. 3, 2, 1, noon. There's another pattern. 3, 2, 1, suit. 3, 2, 1, roof. Okay, this word, let's blend it. 3, 2, 1, suit. Let's blend it. Blend, flute. Okay, next one. Let's blend. Spoon. Word is spoon. Okay. Another one. Remember, this is oo as well. Blend it. Stew. Last one. True. Blend. Truth. Okay, so let's look at some of these sounds that we're going to be going over today. So we have lots of oo sounds. So we have oo, sn, ow, or oo, or th, gur, oo, or you, sneaky C, oo, bull, oo, e or I, full. Remember, that means full of. A, less means without. And R. So let's read some of these words. So I'll help you with the first line and the second line, and then I'll let you go on your own. So oo, let's blend it. Food. Next. Oo, two. Next. Oo, new. Oo, moo. Oo, snoop. That means you're like looking through stuff you shouldn't be looking at because it's not yours. Okay, next. Oo, room. Okay, I'm gonna try and give you 3 seconds and then I'll help you. 3, 2, 1. Oo, rule. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oo, grew. 3, 2, 1. Oo, group. Now it is our O, but that wouldn't be correct. So we want to do O. I mean oo. It'd be our oo. So this would be group. Next. 3, 2, 1. Oo. This time it's oo. It's not ow. Youth. Next. 3, 2, 1. Oo, juice. 3, 2, 1. Oo, zoom. Okay, this time I'm going to try and let you do most of them, and I'll say the word when I count to 3. 3, 2, 1. Blue. 3, 2, 1. Tool. 3, 2, 1. Truth. 3, 2, 1. Pain. Oh, painful. So it's full of pain. and less. Now remember, less means without, so it's without end. 3, 2, 1, use, and then put full. So that would be full of use. Okay, this is we'll do this and then the other one. So this is clue less. That means without a clue. That means like you don't know. You're kind of clueless. Okay. Hope full. That means full of hope. Help less. Without help. So that means you're not being helped. Harm full. Full of harm. Spoon full. Full of a spoon. So like a spoonful, you get like a spoonful of ice cream. Okay. Then cloud less. Less means without. So if the sky is cloudless, it does not have clouds. Okay, let's put these together. Luke and June found glue at school. Okay. Ruby used a spoon to stir the stew. Okay, once again, you'll do your spelling online at School City or else in the packet. Just check the packet for the date. Okay, here we go. So we have ooh, food, ooh, rule, ooh, juice, ooh, youth, and ooh, new. Now, what's amazing about this is all of these are different. So it's really tricky. You have to continue to read to learn which ooh you would use in a word. Okay, let's put this together. Ruby has a spoon to stir the stew. Okay, here's our story. We have ooh for flute and ooh for youth. So the flute youth. Here are some words you'll see. They, one, enough, answers, busy, by, brought, should. Okay, let's read our story. And I realize this picture is kind of strange, but it's okay. Okay, June and Jude are good, I don't think that's one. Good pals. They like to listen to lots of tunes. They like the sound of loud drums and the noise of a big sax. That's a saxophone. One day, June said, let's start a flute group. We can play in a band and make up fun tunes. Tunes are like melodies, like songs. With wide eyes, Jude said, oh boy, that sounds like fun. We can go to each door. No, that's or, so no, not that one. We can go to each door and ask our pals. I hope we get enough answers to start our band. Jude and June found many pals to join them. Then they went to a busy store that had things for the band. We need to buy the right stuff. I brought a coupon that we can use. We can get 5 flutes, said June. The band needed one last thing. What should our name be? The Flute Dudes? The Cougars? Asked Jude. June said, I like those names you have, but I think we need a name that fits us best. We should be called the Flute Youth. Okay. So here we go. So once again, we're talking about structural analysis. So when we look at this word, this root word is spoon. If I add full, it would be spoon full, and it means full of spoon. So the spoon is full of something. Okay, let's look at this one. This one's a little different. My root word is cloud. And then we have less. Less means without. So it'd be cloud less, without clouds. Okay, so we're going to add full and then full to 2 and less to 2. Okay, so this word, the root word is pain. Let's add full. So full of pain. Painful. Okay, look at this one. Hope. Let's add full. Full of hope. Hopeful. Okay, now we're going to do less. Less means without. Okay, so we have use. That's the root word. Useless means without use. That means it's like broken, so you can't use it. Okay, let's look at this one. This is harm. And then we have less means without, so without harm, harmless. Okay, so we're going to skip these. Here are our high frequency words. Answer. I will answer the phone. Brought. Sam brought his flute home from school. Busy. We had a busy day at school today. Door. Who opened the door? Enough. Do we have enough time to play this game? Eyes. My eyes are brown. Okay, so we're going to skip that. And then once more, we're talking about pronouns. So a pronoun takes the place of a noun. So a noun is a person, place, or thing. So a pronoun tells us, so if I have the pronoun here, she, can add to the report by drawing a beautiful picture. So she is my pronoun. I didn't say Jane, I said she. And then it says she needs you for that. That she, again, would be the pronoun. So we have she twice. Other pronouns, he, they, we, I, okay, and she. Okay, thanks friends, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.